Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to compile a Java program and run it with the help of Java Development Kit, that is JDK. First of all, we will see how to compile a Java program. In this video we will be seeing a basic program using Java language. This is one of our program which I have saved in my directory. So in this program I have defined one class which is named as A. Then with the help of the necessary commands like public static void main, I have predefined one class which is termed as a string, that is mentioned as a capital using capital S. Args, which is basically termed as an array document, and then after that you can see there is another line of command which is termed as a system out print my name is Shivam Saxena. So my name is Shivam Saxena, I want to have it in my as an output, and system, this system is basically defined as a predefined class which is also capitalized in such a way to represent the Java program. Out is basically used for the output of the program, and print is basically denotes the output of the program in the form of a message printable form. So I want to print this particular message, my name is Shivam Saxena, as an output of my Java program. So let's see how we will achieve in using our JDK kit, that is Java Development Kit. So first of all, we have to ensure that we are having our JDK kit installed in our system. In order to do that, what we have to do was first we will go to the control panel and just check whether we are having the Java Development Kit installed in our system. So I am having Java Development Kit installed as a version 20.0.1 and 64-bit operating system. So that is okay now. So now I will do one thing, I will just save this program as a save as. I am saving it with the name s.java and on the desktop format. Just save it. So in my system I have already saved one file, so it's asking me to replace the same file, so I am replacing the same one, and I am just closing this one. And then with the help of the Windows key, open the startup menu and just press the CMD command prompt. And then after opening the command prompt, you just have to change the directory, because we are working on the desktop level. So what we have to do, we have to change the directory with the help of a cd command, that is cd desktop. And then you can see that our directory has been changed to desktop. Now what we have to do, we have to just press a few commands of Java, that is Java C. Java C is basically useful for Java compiling, and it's basically for running the Java program. Java C, and just we will place the same name that is similar to the same name of our file, s.java, and press enter. And you can see there is one file which is created on the desktop, which is a byte code which is generated with the help of our JDK kit. Now what we have to do, for getting the output of our Java program, what we have to do, we have to again type Java, and now we have to mention our class name, that is class name what we exactly use as A. So Java A, and then after that we can just print our output. So this will be our output. So as you can see, my name is Shivam Saxena, which was the output which we were desiring from our Java program. It's completely on the system. So this will be, in this way we can compile and run our Java program with the help of a Java Development Kit. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Thank you.